Hi friends, this is Kirtana, your favorite channel Rushkesh Mamidala. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of an angle. By this diagram we can conclude the ratios of trigonometry. So first, this is the diagram, this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. This is a right angle triangle named AOB. So angle BAO is a right angle, BOA is a theta. This is the hypotenuse. This is the opposite side to theta, adjacent side to theta. So first one, sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Opposite side to theta is known as y-axis. So y by hypotenuse is a r. So y by r. Y by r is a sine theta. This is the ratio of sine theta. So sine theta equal to y by r equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. And second one, cos theta. Cos theta equal to adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. And adjacent side to theta is known as x. So x by hypotenuse is known as r. X by r. Now equal to cos theta. And cos theta is known as x by r adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. And third one, tan theta. Tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Opposite side to theta means y and adjacent side to theta is x. So y by x is equal to tan theta. Tan theta equal to y by x. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. And fourth one, cot theta equal to adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. And this is adjacent side to theta is x, opposite side to theta is y. So cot theta equal to x by y. X is equal to adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. Fifth one, sec theta. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Hypotenuse is a r. Adjacent side to theta is a x equal to sec theta. Sec theta equal to r by x. R means hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Lastly, cosec theta. Hypotenuse by opposite side to theta equal to hypotenuse is a r, opposite side to is a y equal to cosec theta. Cosec theta equal to r by y. R is a hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. Important note. We are discussing about important note. There are some important notes regarding these trigonometric ratios. So first one, we know that tan theta, cot theta equal to x by y. Then 1 by y by x, what will happen? Y by x, we know that y by x is tan theta. So y by x we can write as tan theta, 1 by tan theta. Then cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. This tan theta is dividing with 1. When we send tan theta to left hand side, it will multiply with cot theta. Cot theta into tan theta equal to 1. So this is an important note here. Second one, sec theta, we know that r by x. Then what will happen when we divide with 1 r by x by r. So x by r is known as cos theta, 1 by cos theta. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Here cos theta is dividing with 1. When we transpose cos theta to left hand side, it will multiply with sec theta. Sec theta into cos theta equal to 1. This is the another important note. And lastly, cosec theta equal to r by y. When we divided with 1 by y by r. Here y by r is known as sin theta. Then y by r equal to sin theta. Then we can write as 1 by sin theta. Here cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Then here sin theta is dividing with 1. When we transpose sin theta to left hand side, it will multiply. Cosec theta into sin theta equal to 1. This is the last important note in trigonometric ratios of an angle. Please share, like and subscribe to our channel.